If I were to say that I have broccoli to sell and you don't like broccoli, why would I sell you broccoli? It's probably a waste of my time, right? Instead, I'm going to go sell broccoli to the weird kid down the street that really likes broccoli, right? I should probably sell you pizza, right? And so what we do is we do research to help us figure out what kind of food you and your friends like so that we can approach you with the right angle or the right offering.
Okay. Keep going. Give me a bit more.
Bit more on that. So do you need a different angle or a different analogy or a different food? Do you not like pizza or broccoli?
No, I like it. I mean, just more. You keep going as my brain's ticking in the background here, rather than focus on.
Okay, as you're working in the background, the real object is the goal is to reduce the waste that sellers do. And there's a crazy statistic that I believe it's from HubSpot that sellers only spend about 20% of their time selling, right? And those of us that are in seat can understand, okay, yeah, that 80% is going to a bunch of things. A lot of it is spent on account research, right? And so I'm like, dude, when you think of sales, when you think of being a good salesperson, you think about building relationships, closing deals, maybe even doing a rock solid demo or, shaking somebody's hand as a customer, right? That's what this is all about. Doing the account research and kind of the heavy lift before a conversation ever starts is the grunt work that sometimes feels like a cheese grater on your forehead. And that's what we do. Technology is at the point where that stuff can be automated and scaled. And what that means, if that's the case, is people just have more conversations and the human value add can be amplified even more.
Okay.
So
for anyone that's, I was just about to say, for anyone that's just joined us and is blagged as to what's going on, the live cold calls are coming very, very soon. George and Dylan from OpenBox are telling us about their product that we don't know about, and we're going to be pitching it live to their ICP. And this is our first time hearing about it. Doesn't get better than this. Zach Thompson, over to you.
Last couple of bits. The competitive space, is this the sort of thing where you'll speak to them and they'll say, oh no, we already use X company to solve that problem?
So that's a great question. It's a new space, right? This kind of AI prospecting, automated research stuff.